Okay, hi. So I built PatchPilot, and the fundamental question was, what if a GitHub issue could turn itself into a pull request? So anytime we're developing something, we have a repo, and then we add issues to it. That could be a Jira ticket, or it could be a GitHub issue. It can either be a bug fix or a feature addition, and then an engineer usually goes and fixes it, makes a pull request. So the question was, can that basic process be automated? And instead of a human doing it, can an AI agent do it, basically? And so that's what I tried to do. Yeah, so the way it works is anytime a GitHub issue is raised, my backend gets triggered. That creates two sandboxes, a before and an after. The before sandbox just clones the existing repo, and then the after sandbox clones the existing repo and also makes the changes that have been asked to be made in the GitHub issue. And then it creates a pull request, and in the pull request, you have access to the before preview and the after preview, so you can see for yourself visually, okay, have the changes been made, and is it working how it's supposed to? And if it is, then you can just directly merge the pull request. I use GitHub webhooks to figure out if a GitHub issue has been created, and then Daytona is used, and that's where the actual where Claude code actually operates to fix the issue. And yeah, and then it just creates a PR. So I'll just show a demo, and it's built using TypeScript. Okay, let me show you the base app. It just has brightness editor, and it can only change the brightness. But now let's say I want more. I want it to be able to change the contrast as well. So I just raised an issue. I did this a while back. I just raised an issue that add image contrast editor, and I say that right now we can only change the brightness, but I also want it to change the contrast of the uploaded image. So then what happens is my backend. Okay, so this is where my backend starting. As you can see, received issue 34. And it's issue number 34. It creates two sandboxes, before and after, creating before and after sandbox for issue 34. It clones the repository in both of them. It obviously does pnpm install and all that. And then after that, so this is the pnpm install. And then it actually, in the after repository, it runs the Claude CLI inside the after sandbox, and then this is like the full prompt. So it's basically fix the following GitHub issue with the title and the description. It fixes it. And then the final stage, which is actually making the pull request, it fails. But then, but you can actually see the preview of like, this is the before. So if I just click on this, so this is what it was before, and now this is the after with the issue like addressed. So you have the contrast, and it actually works. So.